Welcome back to the dangerous events. What is happening in the Spain? The Spain roads have been flooded with the rainwater. A terrible storm and the scary dark clouds and the heavy rainstorm are simultaneously affecting the Catalunya, the city of the Spain. The people are running to the safer places to save their lives and the homes. People are feeling very fearfulness and horrified from the dark clouds and the tornadoes like storms. The GSS and all the meteorological services has issued a yellow warning and a red warning from the scary tornadoes and the upcoming next the rainstorms. All the meteorological agencies and the government has issued the precautionary instructions to the people to follow upon them to save their lives and the homes and also the buildings. Some people are migrating from one city to another to save their homes and the animals and their lives and also their bank balance. After the heavy rainstorm and the scary winds and the tornadoes, nothing remained the safe. The roads have been flooded with the rainwater and turned into the rivers. So the buildings and the houses have been burnt down into the earth. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel to get the notification of the upcoming next videos.